Grok video generation is no longer free. It now costs up to $30 per month. But today, I'll show you how to use it completely free with no limits. Take a look at this. This video was generated using Grok AI, and I didn't pay anything for it. Let me show you exactly how. Go to this website, geminigen.ai. I've added the link in the description. Once you open it, you'll land on the home page. On the homepage, you'll see multiple AI models available. The important part is you'll find both Google Veo 3.1 and Grok. And yes, Grok is free to use here. Now, click on Sign Up and create your account using your Google login. It only takes a few seconds. After logging in, go to the Studio section. Here you'll see multiple AI models, but the one we care about is Grok AI. And yes, it's available for free inside this platform. Now, let's generate a video. Select Grok AI model, then enter your prompt. If you don't have a prompt, don't worry. Simply go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a prompt where a person is flying on a dragon." In just seconds, it will write a prompt for you. Just copy the prompt and go to the website and paste it in the prompt section. You can also add an image reference. Choose generation mode, customize advanced settings, just scroll and you'll see orientation, which means aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, square, vertical, and horizontal. Choose your preferred one for your video output. Then set resolution settings to 720p, means at high. And now, here's something very important to use Grok AI for free. You must keep duration at 6 seconds. If you try 10 seconds, it will show an error. Also, you can only generate 2 videos at a time, so keep these things in mind to avoid any errors. But don't worry, you can generate unlimited videos overall and completely free. Let's test it. I'll select 16:9 aspect ratio, generation mode to custom, 6 seconds duration. Now I'll enter a simple prompt and click Generate. And here's the result. As you can see, the video looks clean, smooth, and high quality. Now let's take it further. You can also generate videos using an image reference. Just upload your image, add a prompt describing motion or action, and generate again. And now you have a video created directly from your image. Once your video is generated, just click on the download icon and save it directly to your device. You can also access all your previous videos inside the history section, so you never lose your work. So as you can see, I've generated multiple AI videos using Grok, and at the moment, there doesn't appear to be any daily limit. So don't miss out. Take advantage of this 100% free AI video generator now and start building your faceless TikTok page or a viral YouTube channel. And that's it. You now have access to Grok AI video generation completely free. No monthly subscription, no limits on total usage, no credit card needed. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.